Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Now it is our fourth challenge of Java HackerRank. It is of Java standard input and standard output too. So continue to this challenge. So it is our question. In this challenge, you must read an integer, a double and a string from the standard input, then print the values according to the instructions in the output format section below. To make the problem a little easier, a portion of code is provided for you in the editor. Input format, there are three lines of input. The first line contains an integer, the second line contains a double, the third line contains a string. Coming to the output part, there are three lines of output. On the first line, print the string followed by the unaltered string read from the standard input. On the second line, print double followed by the unaltered double read from the standard input. And on the third line, print the integer followed by the unaltered integer read from the standard input. Okay, so it is an integer, it is a double, and it is our string. Okay, so come to the workspace area. Now I is the variable of integer. Now take the variable of double. Okay, now run the code. Here you can see some errors. Okay, so go to the node part. So in the node part, if you use the next line method immediately after the next int method, then or next double method, then recall the next int or next double reads integer or double tokens. Because of this, the last new line character for that line of integer input is still queued in the input buffer, and the next line will be reading the remainder of the integer line which is empty. So you can think why next int or next double does that. It assigns an integer or double to appropriate variable and keep the enter key and read in the keyboard buffer. Okay. Now what is the keyboard buffer? Keyboard buffer basically is a small area in the computer RAM that is used to store the values temporarily before they are proceeded by the CPU. Okay, so when you apply or when you supply a string, then the next line will read the enter key that is empty. Okay, so first we have to flash it, and for flashing we don't have the flash method in the Java like in C or C++. Okay, so we have to scan the next line. Okay, so here I copy it and paste it before this line. Okay, now our code is ready. Okay, now run the code. Okay, now our sample test case is passed. Now we can submit our code. All test cases passed. Okay, so here the node part is very much important. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share as much as possible.